Hello and welcome to my DO Tech channel. I am Idi, a central finance business architect with extensive experience in SAP Central Finance projects since 2017. Over the past decades, I have had the privilege of working with on various implementation rollouts and support projects across Europe, North America, and South America. As a seasoned professional in the field, I have gained wealth of knowledge and the insight into the intricacy of SAP Central Finance. Today, let's go over the latest S4 HANA CFIN 2023 Center Finance architecture and SAP supported source systems and the options. This picture SAP Central Finance architectures detailing how financial data flows from SAP and non-SAP systems into centralized finance systems that we call as central finance. Central finance landscape have five components: source system, SAP based ERP system, source system, non-SAP based ERP systems, SAP landscape replication servers, normally we call SLT, SAP master data governance, we call MDG in short form, and the last one is the central finance on SAP S4HANA. Let's go one by one and how all these components fit into the architecture and how they are internally correlated. SAP source system, ECC or S4HANA. Business transactions, cost objects, financial transactions, CO internal transaction, etc. are posted and processed through accounting interface. Data is temporarily stored in staging table, the CFIN ACC SD, CFIN ACC IT, and a logging table keeps track of transactions, replication events before it replicates to the central finance before via SLT. Non-SAP third party business transactions from external systems are collected. Legacy data managed through third party tables before integrations. Now let's come to the SLT. It helps to transfer data in real time from source systems to central finance system. It uses application based mapping, transformation and filtering logic to harmonize data and also ensure a consistency across the systems. In case of non-SAP transactions, it's stored in the staging tables. For example, general entry, header, line item, debit item, credit items, some tax items. These are a staging tables where information received from third party systems are stored in those tables first, and then a application based mapping and transformation logics applied to those data before it goes to the central finance. Between source system, SLT and central finance, there is one more component, SAP master data governance. It ensures data harmonization across multiple financial systems, implement business mapping, key mapping, value mapping to standardize the master data. Once data processed through all these components, then it comes to the central finance system. It process business mappings and cost object mapping using BRF plus business rule framework and bodies business add-ins. Data stored in universal general AC doka table to ensure a smooth integration for reporting and analysis. Also SAP application interface framework AIF to ensure a smooth integrations. It also supports BTs, derivations, user exist for financial document processing. It in short, it's use all like for example, if we post any transaction directly in the S4, all the validations bodies, exits, etc. called. Same got called when data replicated from source to targets. It's basically nothing but a reposting of same document posted in source systems to the central finance systems. Then data is available in analytics using the SAP BW, SAP S4HANA, BW, SAP Analytics Cloud, Fiori app, etc. Now let's go to the next slide. Over a period of time, SAP a center finance is a more stabilized now, and SAP has come up with a clear cut indication that which they are supporting, which ERP system they are not supporting, which ERP systems, and also for the non-SAP systems, if they wanted to connect a non-SAP systems to the SAP systems, what is the mechanism to adopt. So now let's go step one by one. SAP S4HANA is my source system. A center finance integration component is pre-delivered, meaning it comes with the inbuilt capabilities of real-time data replications. If I have a source system ERP 6.0, it requires SAP nodes to enable center finance functionalities, ensuring compatibility with the financial data replications. Older SAP ERP versions 4.6, 4.7, 5.0, additional consulting and technical adjustments are required, specifically through FICO components note. I have mentioned here one SAP note. This note gives a idea, shows the process, how to raise a consulting note, and how with the consulting note how SAP support a financial data replications from those 4.6, 4.7, 5.0 source systems. But and then if my source system is SAP by design, these are cloud-based ERPs, may require additional configurations or middleware to connect with the central finance. Advice to use a SLT staging table to transport data to the central finance systems. Same way for the SAP business one also. As of now, there is no other mechanism except to use a SLT staging table to transport data from the central finance. For non-SAP integration systems, for non-SAP third-party system, we can say Oracle, Info, Radius, or we can say some homegrown or custom solution that a company is already developed, and they wanted to transfer those data from to the central finance systems. They can use a SLT sync table to transfer the data from their locally built systems to the central finance, including from Oracle, Info, Radius, etc. So this is a overall a CFID architecture and SAP supported source system understanding. This is every SAP consultant should know this concepts and this architecture, and SAP is introducing at every release a new components to the architecture, a new process to those architectures. So let's keep in tune with exploring the SAP set of finance roadmaps, go through what new innovations are SAP is coming with. Okay, hope you enjoy this videos. Thank you very much. Do not forget to subscribe to the DO channel and like the video if you like my content in these videos. Thank you again. Bye.